Hello friends, welcome back to another fun object challenge. Today's challenge is all about kitchen objects. Look carefully, think carefully, and try to guess every object before the answer appears. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. What is this kitchen object? We use it to eat soup or cereal. Can you guess what it is? The correct answer is a spoon. Fantastic friends. Question number 2. Can you guess this kitchen object? We use it to drink water, milk, or juice. What do you think it is? The correct answer is a cup. Amazing work. Question number 3. What is this kitchen object? We use it to cut food carefully. Can you guess? The correct answer is a knife. Great job. Question number 4. Can you find this object? We use it to eat rice, noodles, and many tasty foods. What is it? The correct answer is a fork. Excellent. Question number 5. What is this kitchen object? It is round and we eat our food on it. Think carefully. The correct answer is a plate. Wonderful. Question number 6. Can you guess this object? We use it to cook delicious meals on the stove. What is it called? The correct answer is a cooking pot. Fantastic friends. Question number 7. Here's another challenge. We use it to fry eggs and pancakes. Can you guess the answer? The correct answer is a frying pan. Amazing. Question number 8. What is this kitchen object? It helps keep our food cold and fresh. What do you think it is? The correct answer is a refrigerator. Excellent work. Question number 9. Can you guess this object? It makes bread nice and crispy. Think carefully. The correct answer is a toaster. Awesome. Question number 10. What is this kitchen object? We use it to wash fruits, vegetables, and dishes. Can you guess? The correct answer is a kitchen sink. Great thinking. Question number 11. Can you find this object? It boils water for tea or hot chocolate. What is it called? The correct answer is a kettle. Fantastic. Question number 12. Final question. What is this kitchen object? It keeps food hot while we cook. Take your best guess. The correct answer is an oven. Congratulations, friends. You guessed all the kitchen objects. Fantastic job, friends. You guessed all the kitchen objects. You're becoming a super object expert. Keep learning something new every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for video 4. Bye bye, friends.